What is going on? How long am I be in the air? And why are we doing laps?
You didn't skip?
Hang on. Why he smiled at me like that?
Oh hell
Am I supposed
no!
to do something?
I just saw
D.
spiders. Oh!
Virginia.
Why do they look so real?
Oh, that's who Virginia is. I didn't know I was supposed to do something. That's my fault. That's on me. That is the corniest tattoo I've ever seen in my life. Or should say fight.
Wait, that's not what I meant to do. I can't put it away.
Oh boy, got taken by the sharks. Y'all see me in the helicopter right now, guys?
No.
You're still in there?
I didn't know that it was interactive. I'm just like waiting for something to happen.
Literally, this is the first time we played, Jay. You literally said, I skipped all
Right,
of
you
that.
skipped all of that shit. So I'm quite
What do you
confused.
mean you don't know?
Alright, guys. Let's relax. Let's relax. Alright. What is going on? I'm lost.
Now, who invited you?
Who the fuck is this guy in this chrome ass shirt? That shirt tight as hell.
Oh damn, you're
Damn,
just
y'all up
landing
in my
now.
shit. Damn, watch out, nigga. Tucking my
Bro,
breath.
I was like, who the fuck?
What y'all over
is
here watching
crawling
the
through
sunset?
the AC?
Y'all in here watching the sunset for what?
Nah, we've been
No, we've
looting.
been looting.
While you're watching the cutscene.
Over here crawling in for my life. Y'all just chilling.
I'm not gonna lie, I was so tempted to hit him, but
I'm sure. You're psychotic. I got it on YouTube. I got you recorded.
what are you talking about?
How do you
was
pull out
in
your crafting shit?
I.
Are you
Oh,
on
Jake.
controller or mouse?
Controller.
Yeah, I don't know, buddy. Can't help
Yeah,
you.
we
Sorry.
Hey, you guys. Hey, you guys.
Bro bought a PC and still
And he
is
never, yeah, literally.
playing. Come on,
Honestly,
bro.
these type of games isn't. I get like if you're playing like COD or like any of
There
that,
we
but
go.
this is just. All you literally do is just move around and walk around and click. That's it.
Too much.
There's no extra like steps,
What am I waving in front of his face?
Said, here we go. Sorry, Jay. I'm not trying to be toxic. I'm just like saying, like,
You're toxic.
you really need your controller for everything.
You're toxic. What's wrong with controller?
Nothing. You just saying you hate us because we play
I didn't.
on KBM.
No,
What do you want us to
That's not
do?
what I said. I don't. Where did you guys go? Why are you guys leaving? Oh, it's
Just
down.
collecting stuff.
It's okay. I figured it out, guys.
I know you will. That's your only option. Love you too.
Yeah. Yeah. That shit hurted. Thanks.
It's your bestie, Miss
Miss
West.
Westy.
Don't try to test me. It's gonna get messy.
It's gonna get messy. Just
Bless
bless me. Bless.
Bless
Y'all know she dropping an album.
It's
I
your
need her too. I
bestie,
need that. I need that
Miss
song.
Westy.
I need that
Don't
motherfucker.
try to
I need
test
somebody
me.
to do something with that song.
Just bless me. Just bless me. My bestie Westy.
So the game is the game is officially out now. You're saying?
Yeah, so there's actually a story to this game. Well, there was a story, but now it's actually like fully. Oh my god! Like when you see what me and Amaris saw. Oh, yeah.
But you guys played without me.
A while ago, but we didn't go.
So
We didn't do much.
I don't fuck with me.
You know, no one knows your schedule anymore,
Learn the
bro.
basics of construction. Bro, I literally told you
To
I
be
work
fair,
Fridays and Tuesday. Yes, I do
I
play with you
don't even.
sometimes on Monday. However,
Mm-hmm.
Maria was here. She's on break. College.
It's always her first. I get it.
Here we go. They've literally.
What?
Shit, I'm sorry. I was trying to
What?
hit this laptop. I
That's
did not
crazy.
mean to hit it.
They've literally said they were arguing. He's like, I got 7 years, and then now it's like the 7 years never mattered because
It doesn't. Not
he's
to you.
like
Not to you. Not to
he's
you.
like oh
To you.
he's like oh cause you gotta like
Mm-hmm.
He
like
just
maybe you
misses you.
had he just misses you.
He does. He's not gonna tell you that, but he does.
No,
I don't give
I
him my
don't.
emotions.
He, that's how he is. He's not gonna tell you to your face, but he does. Oh my god, that scared me.
You done getting scared?
Miss being on the game too.
Nope.
I don't
Can you
know.
protect me?
Hopefully, you know.
I'm gonna
Did I throw
fucking
wait?
hit
Did I
you.
throw my axe, guys? Wait, my axe is gone.
Wait! No, you hit me first, okay?
Wait, guys, I lost my
What?
axe.
Jade, open your inventory then and pull it back out.
Okay, I got it. I got it. I got it.
Jesus
I thought I
Christ.
threw it into the crevices. What's this?
Oh,
Oh, these the good eats.
Free meat.
I don't know
It's
about
got
good
to be.
news.
Shit look good to
Is
me.
that
I just
not the
watched
way?
Apocalypto.
Nope.
That shit bussin'.
Not the way you sounded. You started throwing that shit up.
Nah,
He said,
Yeah, we heard you go.
nah, it
So,
was good.
nah,
like
that shit
caviar.
was raw, big bro. Nah, that was raw. That was raw.
damn, you like it raw?
Hey yo.
Wait, yo.
Yo.
You like raw meat?
So we're suspect.
Suspect.
Hold on, there's
What's
people
that?
over there.
There are indeed people over here. Oh shit! It's Mr. Toes. Run. Turn that
I'm gonna run up on them. Ready?
No,
Oh.
I'm gonna throw a grenade.
Oh.
Back up.
Got a grenade?
I don't want to. Yeah.
Oh.
We're getting later, bro.
Yeah, Mercer's dead.
Shit, I might be dead too. The way that thing is.
Oh fuck, boy.
Run!
His hands on my fault.
Yeah, he saw my shit.
I got you. Hold on.
Oh my god!
Like doinks, I'm down again. I honestly think you hit me by accident.
I may have.
Oh my god, I
Damn,
just
bro.
got up! I just got up!
Like, you just did get up. Babe, you tossed your shit as soon as you got up.
Fuck.
You did
Just the
that.
fingers? Oh, he's on your
It's
ass.
not-
Amaris, pay attention.
I'm barely getting up! I don't even have a chance to even do anything! I'm
Oh, I'm
literally
down.
up.
It swung at me.
I can't move!
Can you res? Or
Where is he?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, he's looking
If
for
you
me.
can't. Can you res or no?
Yeah.
If not,
I don't know if my game's bugged, but I literally can't move.
I'm gonna res you. I'll try again. I'm dead. Oh, I blocked it. You can block, you know, right click on the
No,
mouse.
I can't move. I'm stuck.
Close the app and then, or close out and then,
Try to run back. Watch out, big boy.
oh my god, bro. That still hit me.
Alright, he died.
Nice.
You get that meat. Get
We
that
need
booty
we
meat.
need that armor, my boy.
I
We need
Fine.
that armor. That shit, electric.
Electric.
Alright, I'm gonna invite you.
It's just I'm in here already.
What this
Oh.
is?
It says joining
My
game
meat.
server.
One of the basics of my shores.
Am I gonna spawn in the same spot? Or am I gonna be like
Oh,
in the
no,
middle
you're
of
probably...
nowhere?
Are you in the game or no?
No, I'm loading still.
It might spawn you in the water since you died. So are these
Holy
icicles or?
No way, I'm in the helicopter, bruh. Bruh.
Yikes.
We'll just wait for you right
What?
here.
Hey, PC. If you're an old black guy,
No.
I think you're black. Come into the light.
Into the light.
Yeah, over here.
Oh, I have to recollect everything? Oh my god, I have to recollect everything.
I'm not even sure. I
Just come
think so.
down here. Or... actually, yeah. Never mind.
I
Don't come
wanna...
down here because, yeah, you're gonna have to have stuff. We can't really give you anything.
There's not even anything in these things anymore. This is... There's no tape. Oh,
You don't see your
my...
backpack anywhere or something, maybe?
No. They gave me a new backpack.
Oh. I mean, I guess we could just come back in here again another time then.
You don't have
Oh
anything?
my...
No, she has to
No.
collect all her shit again.
Oh.
No, but like even like the boxes where you get everything, they're empty.
Well, we'll just come with us then, because their shit usually... We'll just get like a staff, make a stick or something, and then... Or use your axe, because I mean, there's shit down
Is
here.
this still
that
shared
you can
loot
collect.
or no?
Yeah. But we can
Why
get
does
you
my
like shit
axe keep
down here
going
in the
away?
cave.
Just gonna piss me off.
Is it dark out there, or...
No,
Hell, Zio.
I'm just trying to get some sticks. So.
What do you do on the laptop?
Wait, what?
What do you do on the laptop?
It gives you information for the story.
Like I noticed shit is getting drip dropped on, and it's still working. I dropped my laptop one time. That bitch was for Dunzo.
Danzito.
I did drop it on the the charger. The mirror's not here.
Just go back to where we were.
These goddamn bats, bro. Oh, God.
But Maria could never play this game.
Why?
She's like very scared of like horror stuff. She'll have nightmares. Especially since she moved up for school. Terrified. Oh shit, your boy found some fish. Damn,
I found
took
you.
that motherfucker's head off. Why? To be honest, I don't think it was any good for me. Damn.
I'm like, I think they're dead.
Huh?
I
This is an
got
old
you
white
got
guy.
fucked up.
I'm an old white guy. Ew.
So, like Einstein.
Yeah, it looks like someone used to
Who
Ew.
am I? What
Black
am I?
Ops, like zombies, Black
I'm a
Ops.
girl?
You're no.
Oh, I thought I saw nail
You're
polish.
black.
You're black. You're black.
What you say?
That's crazy, man. I think
No,
isn't
I
Viv
didn't
black?
hear that.
Isn't Viv's character black?
I don't know. Probably.
I think Viv's white. I don't know.
No, you guys. Wait. No, you guys are the same person. Wait.
He
Oh,
looks
Wait.
black, but he
really?
don't. I don't really know.
No, wait. You guys are the same
The whip.
person. I think. I don't
My
know.
God, twinsies.
I don't know. You guys both won't look at me the same. Actually, he's older, but yeah,
So
never mind.
I'm. Oh my God. So this game isn't just about cannibals. It's about time travel.
It's about time
Why
travel.
is there a fucking Shay arc in this bit, bro? Fuck's up.
I'm fuck with you.
I am a bitch.
Oh my God, it's the shark! Hey, what if I jump in?
No balls.
That's your ass, and I don't get. Yep, here you go, listening to Jay.
He really don't care.
No, he
He didn't.
does.
He didn't. No, he didn't. He didn't come for
Wait,
me.
what if I throw him a leg? Think he'll run?
He'll run or eat it. Which one?
No, not. Don't start eating the arm. God damn, my nigga started eating the arm. Not what I wanted to do. Wait, how I throw? Why won't let me pick it up?
You just press it and not hold it.
How did you throw it?
He not fucking with that shit.
And go in there.
I can't even stand 2 feet in that shit without getting scared. I'm not going in there.
If Viv
I
doesn't like
don't.
deep waters.
I don't do sharks. He's
Isn't,
coming.
isn't that your?
Yep.
Oh
Isn't
shit!
that
He
your?
run it up. He
Holy
run it up on
shit.
me.
Yep. Mm-mm.
Isn't that your worst fear, Viv? Shay arcs?
Shark? Yep. I love
He
him and I
likes
hate
him,
him.
but he's scared of him.
Sure am.
Alright, guys. Show you how this shit's done.
Nope.
Wait, hold on. I just found a lot of loot. I don't know if I want to do it anymore.
Exactly. Adios.
I just found some vodka. What up, bitch?
Oh my god.
Hold up, I need some fresh water.
Wait, there's a scuba thing.
Yeah, I just grabbed it.
So
Wait, you-
Oh my God, I'm sorry. I'm trying to get the
Jay!
chip at the thing. That's not me.
Oh,
That's my
wait,
fault.
so wait, real quick. So
What?
when you went in the ocean that one time yeah,
What
I'll
happened?
get the fuck up out of here. I'm getting
What happened?
I'm getting the fuck up out of here.
He jumped at me?
Oh my god.
Did he jump at me?
Yes. Bro, how do I
Amir,
record
you
the
saw
last
it?
30 seconds of my shit? How do I?
Oh my god, you ran so fast.
He jumped at Viv
What
or
was
me?
you saying? No, he didn't even jump. He just jumped in the like air. He didn't even jump at anybody.
Oh, he doing tricks and shit? Maybe he's nice.
I need to capture that shit, bro.
What was
Maybe
you
he's nice.
saying?
But why is there a great white shark in a
Maybe
cave
he's
though?
not.
This makes no sense. I'm hitting low, bro. He not taking no damage.
He's gonna get you, bro.
If this game wasn't cheating, I would have got him already.
What were you?
I
You
would have
probably
cut
already
his fin
forgot.
off.
He said, "What if we?" And then the shark jumped in.
Something to ruin his day. About to jump in.
Good
Did
luck.
you pick up the scuba thing?
Yeah,
What if you put that on
I did.
and jump in?
He's
Here,
gonna follow me though,
bro.
I think.
He's gonna follow you. You're absolutely right.
Uh,
He will follow that ass.
How will he follow the leg I threw in though? About to
That nigga
throw,
likes fresh.
about
He
to throw
likes
some shit at
fresh.
him.
Fresh.
Back. Are you gonna just stand?
Hmm?
What I got? What I got? I'm about to throw this fresh meat.
How did
Fresh
you
meat.
even?
I'm about
Never
to.
mind.
No, I should make a Molotov. You got tape? I need
I don't
cloth.
know if that shit works. Sorry. I was too busy just astonished by the fact that that nigga actually jumped out. Oh, there's rope up here. Oh, wow. Nah,
I'll throw a
Oh,
Molotov at his ass.
you don't
yes, you
understand
know.
that. I've never
Oh,
seen, I
okay.
never saw him do that before. It's red down
He's
there.
getting Molotoved.
I threw it. It's a flare. Or
Oh my
what?
god, I
Yeah, it
threw
is a
my
closet.
Molotov and I didn't light it.
Nice.
I'm trolling. Hold on,
Yeah, sounds about right.
run it back.
Oh my God, he's getting close to you. He's getting close to you. He's getting
Stop playing, stop playing.
He said stop playing, stop playing.
I hit the escape button so quickly. That's not funny.
He was. He was right there.
I'm gonna light this bitch up. He's lucky I don't have grenades. Sticky bombs. Oh, there's some wire over here.
He's on fire. I mean, he's bloody. He ain't like that shit.
You were hitting him.
Is this water
No?
right here? It is. I can't
Yeah,
tell.
yes. Yes, it is.
Where is he?
He's right here, man.
Can't see his dirt.
How about we all jump in and jump that nigga? That's the only way
He's
through,
not
bro.
gonna. He's not. He's not gonna do that. No,
I'm
you
not
can go
gonna-
around. You can still
Wait, I'm just
continue.
trying to figure out. I just want to see where he is so I can throw mine at him.
Continue where?
But I can't see him.
You can
Where'd he go?
Oh no.
Oh, he's
Is
right
it?
there.
Alright,
I thought-
somebody distract him up there.
He's
That
gonna
shouldn't
jump
work.
you, bro.
That nigga is, he is bleeding though.
Here.
Mm-mm. Wait, hold on. I might have an idea.
Gotta go.
No, but the
You gotta fucking
C4,
go.
the explosives.
Wait, can you even? Is there anything even past here or no?
Yeah, this area over here. Shit.
All right, fuck it. Let's go.
Oh shit! I'm drowning. I'm drowning.
Started drowning? Did you put your shit on?
Actually, I don't know. I think it automatically put it on. Huh?
No, it doesn't.
No.
So were you
Oh,
drowning or
Fuck.
not?
I
don't know. Where is it?
It's on the far right corner. Of
Oh.
it.
But you're lost.
No, it is equipped. I do have it equipped.
Alright, I'm gonna go.
So wait, can you swing underwater or no?
Yeah,
Oh,
I'm in there.
he's not even focused on you. Wow. Okay.
Oh my god, I went
guess.
back. Went back by an accident.
Where'd you go?
Oh, it's so hard to see him underwater. Jay, where are you?
Is there anything over there?
Oh, no,
Oh my
pretty
god.
deep.
Oh my god, Jay.
He's chasing me?
Wait,
No,
he's
no,
chasing
no.
you? No, he's
No,
not.
no, no.
How do I go
Oh,
up?
he's swimming.
Oh, he does eat the food. Oh wow. How do you go up? I don't know,
This
bro.
shit is far.
Is there
Is
any
there?
sharks?
You just
Is
look
there
up.
anything?
You just gotta look up. No, there's nothing.
No, I know, but are you
It's
still
too
underwater or
tight.
is it like
Yeah, I'm still in the
surface?
water.
It's
It's
too
too
tight. What do
tight.
you mean? Like
It's too
it's
tight.
claustrophobic? Nah,
Yeah.
nope.
Yeah, it is.
Come,
And I just
why are
swam mad
you
far.
Mm-mm.